Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Volvo XC60 T5 Momentum. This one's white. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 250 horsepower and 258 pounds torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 20-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Tan leather interior, panorama sunroof, heated rear seats, around back, XC60 Volvo T5 all-wheel drive badging, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Alongside, this one does come with Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got a heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a push start ignition, navigation, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, heated seats, climate controls, our audio buttons, start stop, our different driving modes. This Volvo has 16,202 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Volvo, check out feldmannimports.com.